Today we celebrate the feast of the most sacred heart of Jesus. And we know that Jesus' sacred heart is a treasured symbol of the love of Jesus for every human being, for each one of us. And so I simply want to offer this prayer of thanksgiving and praise to the Sacred Heart. Lord, you deserve all honor and praise, because your love is perfect and your heart sublime. My heart is filled to overflowing with gratitude for the many blessings and graces you have bestowed upon me and those whom I love. Forever undeserving, may I always be attentive and never take for granted the gifts of mercy and love that flow so freely and generously from your Sacred Heart. Heart of Jesus, I adore you. Heart of Jesus, I praise you. Heart of Jesus, I thank you. Heart of Jesus, I love you forever and always. Amen.